अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, short essay on my table. This is my table. This is my table. Its color is green. It has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. A carpenter made it. Its price is 2,000 rupees. I work on it. I work on it. I like my table. I like my table. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my